Aside from El Nino, the province of Occidental Mindoro is now also facing power woes. Here's the report.
President Bongbong Marcos visited Occidental Mindoro on Tuesday. He led the distribution of aid for farmers and fisher folk. These include financial assistance and equipment for workers. Recall that the Agriculture Department has also allocated over 1 billion pesos for the province.
Kahit kumpleto lahat ng ating urea, yung ating fertilizer, kahit kumpleto lahat ng pesticide natin, kahit kumpleto ang ating mga farm equipment, pagka mahina ang daloy ng tubig ay mababa pa rin ang ani. Kaya yun ay babaguhin natin.
The province is under a state of calamity because of El Nino. According to the provincial government, the cost of damage has reached 900 million pesos.
Kami po ay isang agricultural province. Kapag dapa ang magsasaka, dapa po ang aming ekonomiya. Ang aming mga palayan ay tuyo na, pati po ang aming mga ilog.
But that's not their only problem.
Kami po ay nasa state of power crisis. Napakamahal po ng presyo ng kuryente namin. 20 kilowatt per hour, habang ang Meralco po, 12 kilowatt per hour lamang.
Only one power provider supplies electricity across the province. Aside from frequent brownouts, residents also complain of high electricity bills.
Ewan ko nga po, parang lalo naman lumalaki. Kahit anong tipid po namin, talagang kada bill po, talagang mataas ang kuryente namin.
Marcos says the problem will be addressed once the Mindoro Island is connected to the Luzon grid. The National Grid Corporation of the Philippines vows to complete the process by next year. In San Jose, Occidental Mindoro, for News 5, I'm Brian Basa, and we are One News.